Hey everyone, Edward here at the Mac Observer, and today I'm gonna show you how you can customize your screen on iOS 18. So there's a few cool ways you can do this, and we can start with selecting the latest wallpapers that are from iOS 18. Let's go there and check this out. So we will hover over settings and tap on it, and afterwards head over to search and type in wallpaper and select this option from the search results. In here we can add a new wallpaper if we want to, so we will do this. Tap on new and then scroll down until we find the wallpaper that we like. As you can see, iOS 18 is still in beta, so some things don't work on the spot. So maybe if we click it and then go back and close this option and once again open it up, it will show up. Yes, as you've seen, it shows up. You have 4 different colors you can play with. This is the classic with pink, yellow, azure and purple. I think I like the azure one, so I will just add it here and then set as wallpaper pair. And as you well know, from here on you can also customize the wallpaper by actually switching from the original iOS 18 one to color, adding a photo if you want to. This one, for example, let's try it out. Change it, make it bigger, all kinds of filters if you want to, or we can keep up with the iOS 18 original wallpaper. So this is one of the ways you can customize your iOS 18 screen on the iPhone, and from here on we can actually match the icons from the apps in terms of color with the wallpaper. Here's what you can do. Just tap on an empty space on the screen and hold it, then press on edit on the upper left corner. From here on you have 2 options, which is add widget. Now it's simpler, you can add it straight from here. So if you tap on it, you have all the widgets available and you can place them on the screen wherever you want. For example, let's add a widget, search YouTube, let's add it on the screen. And if you want, you can move it wherever, it doesn't matter. Even though it's still snapped on a grid, you can maybe move it on an emptier space, I think. So we can see how this works. Hold it and move it wherever you want. And then it just stays there. Now this is a cool thing, but let's come back to adding colors to the icons. So press on edit, then go to customize. This is the option where you want to add either a dark theme, a light theme, and also tinted, which is the feature that is very cool nowadays with iOS 18. You can change the color of the icons however you want to and add them different lighting, make them even more saturated. I think we can actually fit in with the wallpaper perfectly. You have the sample icon here. If we click on it and then we go anywhere on the screen, we can choose the color that fits the wallpaper. Let's say we will choose this one, and as you can see, it looks exactly like the wallpaper. I think this is super cool and adds a tone of customization to it. It kind of makes it more personal, so it's more you. But let's say if we add the wallpaper and try to match the colors. I'll go back to wallpapers, customize, and then add the photo that I selected in here. As you can see, this is a sunset with some clouds, basic photo, but we can now customize it so that the colors of the app's icons fit the wallpaper. And now we take the sample icon, and if we click here, tap this, here's how it looks. From here on, you can select the brightness of the color, and that's pretty much it. As you can see, it looks really nice. I really like it. I think it fits the mood properly. And it's super simple to use. And that's it. This is how you can actually customize your home screen in very simple ways with the latest iOS 18 update. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more quality content. Thanks for watching.